loaded, all set, ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Huling Tala. Break quickly at the start. Down on the inside, Senior Cricket. Don't explain. Business class, then followed by Eagle Swings. Fair Heaven, Kai Maki. Good Humor. And on the outside now is Razor Dancer. Don Alejandro Defiant. While Manila's Gem is the trailer ram going along for the first turn. We have Huling Tala by about 3/4 of a length lead. Don't Explain is right behind in second. Senior Cricket moving up on the outside. Business Glass. Eagle Swings comes next. Fair Heaven, Kai Maki, Razor Dancer, Good Humor, Don Alejandro Defiant, while Manila's Gem is still racing in 12. Inside the 3 Octavo, Huling Tala by about ahead. And on the outside is Don't Explain. Business Class is still in third. Eagle Swings, Fair Heaven moving up on the outside now with Sky Maki, Razor Dancer, Senior Cricket, Good Humor, Don Alejandro Defiant, and Manila's Gem. And as they swing for home, we have Huling Tala by about 3 lengths. Don't Explain still in second. Fair Heaven moving up on the outside with about 100 meters up the race. Huling Tala followed by Fair Heaven in second. And finally from start to finish, it's Huling Tala. Fair Heaven close, Razor Dancer, and number 8 Eagle Swings.